Hey everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. I've got my last Look Fantastic of 2019 unboxing for you guys, and yes, I'm going to still keep getting this beauty box by Look Fantastic because I do like what I get in these boxes. It's for the month of December and it's a pretty box this month. Very Christmassy. Yeah, if you could see the hollies and the Christmas ornaments, and I'm going to reuse this box for other Christmas gifts, and I've been doing that with these Look Fantastic boxes. It's perfect for either makeup items or even gift cards because I don't like to put gift cards in a little envelope. I want boxes under the tree to show that there are a lot of gifts under there. But yeah, I'm going to reuse this box. Really nice. I'm going to list all the different tiers and prices down below for you guys so we can go ahead and see what's in here. And let's go ahead and lift the lid. And this month at Christmas, all roads lead home. Oh my gosh, I love that. At Christmas, all roads lead home. All right, here's a little booklet in here that tells us about it. And in the back, it usually gives us a preview of what's next month. And it just says the Christmas crackers, which I already did an unboxing for that. You know, let me look. Yeah, it's inside. In the inside pack here, it lets us know what's going to be January sneak peek. And what is it? E-Cooking Moisturizing Serum. Okay, I did try one of their masks. They're one of their masks. So it'd be nice to try one of their serums by E-Cooking. And a copy of Elle magazine, which I don't read, but it's here. And this is what we have in this month's box. All right, let's pull out the eyelashes here by Allure. Allure? Yeah. Fluttery Light. It's number 117, Light and Wispy. Fall in love with this pair of textured strip lashes with a lightweight finish. Perfect for day or night. All right, so this one cost £5.06. I myself do not wear false eyelashes, so I will be either giving this away to a family member or be putting it in a future giveaway. All right, next we have a palette, an eyeshadow palette by Sleek Cosmetics. And this palette is called Goodnight Sweetheart. Discover a collection of 12 shades suited for every skin tone to highlight, intensify, and accentuate the eyes. And this one cost £8.99. All right, this little something here by Ico. We always get this one in these beauty boxes, and it's the Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner. Make wing liner effortlessly with this smooth, fluid, single stroke color that lasts all night. And this one cost £9 British. Wow, this little liquid eyeliner. Okay, and you know I love my black eyeliner. Next, we have something from Bumble & Bumble, Invisible Oil. Infused with feather light oils, this invisible oil primer is lightweight, pre-styling mist formulated for dry, coarse, or brittle hair. Okay, that's nice, especially for my brittle ends here, and this one cost £5 British. All right, we have a little tube from Real Chemistry, and it's a luminous 3-minute peel. It's an exfoliating face peel that removes dead skin to reveal a soft and renewed complexion. And this one costs £19 British, 88 cents. Wow, okay, I can't wait to try this mask. And the last product that we have here, it's by this company called Pray. P-R-A-I. I believe that's how you say it, Pray or Pry, but it's the Platinum Firm and Lift Cream. It's a small little jar of it though. It's a redefining facial moisturizer infused with firming, platinum-rich antioxidants. This anti-aging moisturizer intensely hydrates skin while defending against free radicals. And this little jar of 10 mils of product in here cost £9 British. So wow, we got some pricey products in this month's beauty box. Just for fun, I'm going to see how much all of this cost. All right, the products in this month's box cost £57 British, 47. Wow, okay. And the subscription that I have, I think it's $16 a month. So not bad for this beauty box. I could probably even re-gift some of these for Christmas. Yeah, I think I may do that. Well, all right, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing of the Look Fantastic Beauty Box for December. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.